Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roma and I really hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I am going to create this beautiful look right here that I am wearing on my face right now. If you guys end up liking my content, the makeup look that I'm creating, so I'll be creating these kind of looks even more. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you get the latest video as soon as I post them. And now without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. Hey guys, so I'm done with my skin prep and now I'm just quickly going to start my makeup. And for filling my pores, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Now after priming my face, I'm just quickly going to apply this Lakme Lumi Cream for that illuminating glow on my face. Now after this, I'm just going to use a BB cream. This is Mars BB cream in the shade light beige. It is a very thick, so after applying this you really don't need a foundation for your base. Please take very minimal product of this. It's super thick, so it almost gives a foundation wala finish ही. तो मैं ज़रा ही लगाऊंगी, otherwise it will be too much on my neck as well. Don't forget your neck. Now I have this damp beauty blender and with the help of this I'm just quickly going to blend it all. So this is how the finish of this BB cream is. Can you see how perfect finish it is? I mean मेरे लिए तो इतना बहुत है. I really don't want to go overboard with my face and all. So I think this is just the perfect finish and this BB cream has recently become my new favorite. बहुत ही अच्छी finish है, बहुत अच्छी consistency है इसकी. I just love it. But of course if you want, you can build up the coverage. आप इसको 2-3 layering इसकी कर सकते हो. But for me, I think one is enough. I don't really want much. Now after this, I'm just quickly going to set it all. This BB cream, I'm just going to set it with the help of this Insight का HD Flawless Finish. So this is how the product looks. ये loose banana powder है. इसके साथ में use करने के लिए एक puff भी दिए रहते हैं. But just going to use ऐसा broad brush. I usually use this brush for blush. I think that looks pretty good as of now. अभी के लिए इतना face पे बहुत है. Now let's quickly move to my eyebrow. I'm going to use this Maybelline Drama Gel for filling up my eyebrows. Comes with a brush. Just dab it on the gel very lightly because it's highly pigmented. Sorry guys, my camera stopped recording for some time and I didn't realize. So मैंने अपने eyebrows को set कर लिया है and मैंने Mars Fantasy 15 आई shadow palette से ये white वाला shade अपने eyelids पे लगाया just to set as a base, क्योंकि हमने कुछ conceal नहीं किया है अपने eyelids को and थोड़ा सा dark pigmentation होता है. So just to increase the color payoff of our eye shadow, हम ये white shade actually use कर सकते हैं. It's very handy. So मैंने बस थोड़ा सा white eye shadow, you can see it on my eyelids. And now I'm going to use this brown shade right here from the same palette. Starting it from my outer crease, placing it on outer crease and blending inwards like this. So I have blended it properly now. क्रीज पे हमें आई थिंक इतना ही करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है कुछ. एंड आफ्टर दिस आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस स्विस ब्यूटी का अल्टीमेट आई शेडो पैलेट एंड यू कैन सी यहाँ एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा शिमरी सा गोल्डन शेड है इस वन. सो अभी हमने आई शेडो सिर्फ क्रीज पे लगाई थी. आईलिड्स पे हम ये वाला कलर लगाने जा रहे हैं. दिस इज हाउ दिस कलर इज. इसमें ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स नहीं है बट द शाइन एंड द शिमर इज लाइक जस्ट टू गुड. Too good. See this middle of eye में आप उसकी placing कर दीजिए. And that's it. Now for lower waterline, I'm just going to use the same Maybelline Drama Gel and I'm going to apply my kajal. That's it with the kajal. And now after the kajal, I mean below the kajal, we are going to apply the same eyeshadow using this brush just to finish up the eye look. So can you see the difference in both the eyes? ये सेम ट्रांजिशन कलर काजल के या कुछ भी लास्ट में लगाने से लोअर वाटर लाइन में इट काइंड ऑफ गिव्स अ स्मोकी इफेक्ट टू योर आई एज वेल. और अगर आपने काजल लगाया है सो बिकॉज ये आई शेडो है, पाउडरी प्रोडक्ट, तो स्मज भी नहीं होने देता है. आई होप यू कैन क्लियरली सी द डिफरेंस. काजल के बाद ये आई शेडो लगाने से कितना अच्छा इफेक्ट आता है आईज पर. जस्ट सी इट, जस्ट मेक्स द होल लुक complete, whole eye look complete. So I love doing it. I'm going to use Mars Fantasy Face Palette. So this palette has these lovely, you can see these are the blushes. Mostly pink ka hi shade hai. This is a little coral shade. Rest these three are pink ke different shade hai, like baby pink, dusky pink, rose dust pink, and these two are contouring. आप उसको as a contour या as a bronzer जैसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. And these two are basically your highlighters. This is kind of a golden kind of highlighter, and ये थोड़ा सा rose gold kind of है. I'm going to use this one, ये जो थोड़ा champagne type shade में है, just to highlight my inner corner of the eyes. Mascara मैं सबसे लास्ट में लगाऊंगी. So moving on with the same Mars Fantasy Face Palette, I'm going to use this blush right here. I think this should go with the look. So I'm just going to pick this blush. So that's it with the blush. और उसके बाद I'm just going to use this palette again, and जिससे हमने inner corners को highlight किया था. I'm going to use the same highlighter. And that's it with the highlighters. For the lipstick I have this Nykaa का lipstick है, Nykaa mini lipsticks. This is in the shade Dressed to Kill. So इसका shade बहुत ही अच्छा, थोड़ा सा maroon, थोड़ा red type का है. So I'm just going to apply this lipstick. I'm now only left with mascara. So let me quickly apply my mascara and come back to you. Hey guys, I'm back after applying my mascara, and that's it. This is the final look that I have created. I have paired this look with this set of earrings, this chain, and this watch, and some golden bangles. So I'm going to step out for a Sangeet ceremony. So I'm absolutely going to change this top that I'm wearing as well. But abhi pura time nahi hua hai. I still have some time left before I step out. So अभी मैं पूरा चेंज नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट दिस इज़ द लुक दैट आई एम गोइंग विथ. आई मीन एक्सेसरीज एंड मेकअप इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम keeping. That's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this look. I loved creating this look. So I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and your loved ones.